Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to add columns to existing migrations in Laravel. So here I have created a simple Laravel application, and if we look at the user's migration, here we have name, email verified it, and password, and I have migrated that, and you can see that in my database, and you can see we have those fields added. We have ID and created it and updated it because of timestamps and ID view. So now let's say I want to add username to this. So let's do that. The way we can do that is to create another migration. We can add this to the existing migrations, but for that we will have to purge the existing migration, and by doing that we will like destroy all the data that we have in the users model so far. So if we want to keep the existing data and add more fields to it, then the way we can do that is to create another migration using the artisan command. And the command for that is php artisan make migration. And let's say we want to add username, so add username to users table. And now I'm gonna hit enter, and it's gonna create a migration for me. And if I look here, you can see we have that migration created. Now let's add a username. I'm gonna create string type username, and it's nullable. We have to make it nullable because if there are already entries in the database table, users table, and now if we migrate this, it's gonna add this field, but it's gonna be nullable for the one that are already there, right? So that's why we have to make it nullable. And here in the down we have to drop this column. So table drop column name is username, and now I can save this and I can run the migration that I just created using php artisan migrate, and it has been successful. And now if I look at my database table, you can see we have the username successfully added. Now we can add as many as we want, right, using the same method. Let's say I want to add a column after a specific column. Let's say I want to add after, let's say after email I want to add a phone number. So let's do that as well. I'm gonna create another migration. So let's say add phone underscore number to users table. I'm gonna hit enter. It's gonna create that migration for me. I can create the column, so string, and it's a phone number, it's nullable. And to make it like we want it to be after email, right? So we can say after, we have after method, and here I can pass the existing column, that is email in this case. And on the down method we have to drop this column that we just added using the drop column method and passing the phone underscore number. I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna re-execute the php artisan migrate. And now if I look back to the database migration table, you can see the phone number has been added after the email because we specified that over there. This is how you can add columns to existing database tables using the migrations. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.